About the company. Jedinstvo has a long tradition and experience in the construction of facilities and systems for heating and air conditioning, plumbing, for production and transmission of energy and gas, civil engineering and buildings. In the system of the company there are over 700 full-time employees and over 600 occasionally employed. The key for the development and the improvement of business is in the implementation of quality management system, environmental protection and occupational health and safety in accordance with the good market practice regarding to ICO 9001 dated 2008, ICO 14001 dated 2004, OXIS 18001 dated 2007 and ICO 50001 dated 2011. The following companies make Jedinstvo Group. Jedinstvo Metrogradnja, say steel structures, Novi Pazar Port, say construction of roads, Livnica Požega, say steel and ductile iron foundry, Urice Gas, say gas distribution in the town of Urice, Zlatibor Gas, say gas distribution in the mountain region of Zlatibor, Autokucha Raketa, say car sales and service, Mpp Jedinstvo Montenegro, Mpp Jedinstvo Moscow, Mpp Jedinstvo Slovenia, Mpp Jedinstvo Bosnia and Herzegovina. Here are some of crucial references. Project: Oil Terminal Complex Smederevo, Investor Jet Oil Serbia, DOO, value of works €6,700,000, period of execution 2012 to 2014, period for civil works 8 months, total area of the facility 52,163 square meters. The complex for the storage and refilling of petroleum products in Smederevo was constructed as a turnkey project. Mpp Jedinstvo executed complete construction, mechanical and electronical works on 9 tanks, 2 of them 5,000 cubic meters, 2 of them 3,500 cubic meters, 2 of them 2,500 cubic meters, 1 of them 2,000 cubic meters, 2 of them 500 cubic meters, the dock, the car loading, unloading station, pipeline discharge pumping station, firefighting stations, the main and auxiliary transformer stations, heavy traffic roads with related traffic signage, the fire escape roads, the administration buildings, the workshops, the guard houses, the landscaping around the tanks, the tiling and the green spaces landscaping. The following was executed on the facility: excavation in an amount of over 10,500 cubic meters, more than 5,000 cubic meters of concrete and 150 tons of reinforcement were integrated. Materials were placed in an amount exceeding 17,000 cubic meters. Project: Oil tanks in the city of Novi Sad. Investor PC Transnafta, value of works €804,000, first phase, period of execution 2014 to 2015, 8 months, preparatory and civil works for the construction of 2 storage tanks for crude oil in Novi Sad, each 20,000 cubic meters. The following was executed: excavation in an amount of 28,000 cubic meters, more than 3,000 cubic meters of concrete and 150 tons of reinforcement were integrated. Materials were placed in an amount exceeding 30,000 cubic meters. Mpp Jedinstvo, as the leader of the consortium with Tankmont and AG Institute, is currently executing works of the second phase of the construction of tanks, reconstruction of firefighting stations and supporting mechanical and electronical works. Contracted value of the second phase works is €3,752,000. Project Wastewater Treatment Plant at the Thermal Power Plant Nikola Tesla A. Investor Delegation of the European Union to the Republic of Serbia. Value of works €5,994,000. Type of works: construction and commissioning of the new wastewater treatment plant at TPP Nikola Tesla A, Serbia. Period of execution 2014. Mpp Jedinstvo was a member of the consortium, while the main contractor was the company Estok TD, Slovenia. Mpp Jedinstvo executed complete construction works to the tune of €189,000. The following was executed: excavation amounting to over 21,000 cubic meters, more than 4,500 cubic meters of concrete, and 330 tons of reinforcement were integrated. Materials were placed in an amount exceeding 3,500 cubic meters. Project Transfer Station in the town of Čačak. Investor International Management Group. Value of works €691,000. Period of execution 2015 to 2016. Mpp Jedinstvo executed all civil works for the construction of the transfer station and the platform with reception and delivery zone, including electrical works, as well as for the construction of other supporting structures and external landscaping. The following was executed: excavation amounting to over 5,000 cubic meters, more than 500 cubic meters of concrete, and 50 tons of reinforcement were integrated. Materials were placed in an amount exceeding 12,500 cubic meters. Project Transfer Stations Regional Waste Management Center Subotica. Investor Delegation of the European Union to the Republic of Serbia. Value of works €3,168,474.12. Period of execution 2015 to 2017. Mpp Jedinstvo, as the leader of the consortium with SMB Gradnja Subotica, contracted the job for the complete construction of transfer stations in Bačka Topola, Senta and Kanjiža, including supply of all equipment and vehicle fleet. The following was executed: excavation amounting to over 40,000 cubic meters, more than 12,000 cubic meters of concrete, and 6 tons of reinforcement were integrated. Materials were placed in an amount exceeding 12,000 cubic meters. Project Water Production Plant Polje Sestre. Investor Regionalni vodovod Crnogorsko Primorje. Value of works €13,436. Period of execution 2008 to 2010. Execution of civil, hydromechanical and electrical works. Construction of the complete facilities, plant and water intake facility Polje Sestre, pumping station and plant building, pressure braking chamber Polje Sestre, pipeline KK0 to KK5, ductile pipeline 800 diameter and 700 diameter, total 1,656 meters, pumping station and reservoir reliquary, and rehabilitation of reservoir Jumani, pumping station reliquary, and reservoir reliquary. The following was executed: excavation amounting to over 13,000 cubic meters, more than 700 cubic meters of concrete, and 80 tons of reinforcement were integrated. Materials were placed in an amount exceeding 3,000 cubic meters. Project Regional Water Supply System for the municipalities of Zubin Potok, Kosovska Mitrovica and Zvečan. Investor municipalities of Zubin Potok, Kosovska Mitrovica and Zvečan. Value of works €10,523. Period of execution 2013 to 2017. Execution of civil, finishing, mechanical and electrical works for the regional water supply system. Within the system, the following was also constructed: the water treatment plant, water clarification plant building, as well as one tunnel in the length of 918 meters, which was constructed in the cooperation with the subcontractor Resava Engineering. The following was executed: excavation amounting to over 95,000 cubic meters, more than 5,100 cubic meters of concrete, and 520 tons of reinforcement were integrated. Materials were placed in an amount exceeding 38,000 cubic meters.